Welcome to Exchange Rates UK TV. It is the 28th of October 2021. Taking a look at Litecoin. First, I want to take a look at it on the weekly chart because the weekly chart for Litecoin, and I think I got to make this a little bit bolder so we can see a little bit better. But the lagging span, take a look at where that's at. It's the black average back here. It's below the candlesticks, right? Yeah, that's where it's at. But it's not an open space. So the lagging span's below the candlesticks. Price is below the cloud. That is a recipe for disaster. The problem with the big bearish sell-off scenario is twofold. First is the lagging span not an open space, meaning if we look forward 5 to 10 bars, is it going to intercept the body of a candlestick? Yes. More importantly, it's a pretty good distance away. I mean, if we want, think about it this way: if you wanted the most ideal conditions for a bear market on Litecoin, you would need to see the lagging span have a close below the week the open of the week of May 17th. So we're looking at $140, $141 to $140. That's where it would have to close by at least the open of May. It's in 2 weeks. November 8th. Is it likely to do that? It could. It certainly could. But at the same time, I mean, when you look at overall sentiment, Litecoin is still very important. It's had a ton of adoption fundamentally that you just don't hear a lot about. And it's holding its own despite being below the cloud for a number of weeks. You look at the daily chart, you can see that this guy is just really, really, really poised for some type of explosive move very soon. When you look at the 2021 volume profile, we are right. I mean, this $190 is the volume point of control for 2021, meaning we're right where Litecoin has had the most amount of trading occur, and the conditions that you would need to see Litecoin trade in to go into a full-blown bull market, they've been met before, but the positioning is just a lot better now. So really, I'm just looking at this. If Litecoin can close at 194 or above, then it is in full-blown bull market mode. The lagging span is above the candlesticks. The future cloud is green, meaning span A is above B. The close would be above the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen and be above the cloud. So, I mean, even right now, the fact that it's below the Tenkan-sen isn't like that huge of a deal. But the fact that it's still above, if we close above the cloud here, that could provide substantial momentum to push Litecoin higher. At the same time, it's not far away from turning into a bear market. All the lagging span has to do is move below the candlesticks here on the daily chart, and then at 166, and we're into a really strong selling market condition. But a return, even just staying here at 189 to 190, you have a really good position to see Litecoin break up higher. I mean, yeah, strong support against level 50. That's the first oversold condition in a bull market. The composite index is positioned beautifully for a cross above both of its averages if it coils up, and we have a nice bounce off of 0.2 in the %B. Yeah, this looks very much like a bullish continuation pattern. Like Litecoin could have a really big explosive move here in the very near future, so keep your eye on it. From all the Trade Exchange Rates UK TV, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.